November is Native American Heritage Month, and we have some great recommendations for you. Fry Bread, a Native American family story about how central food is to every aspect of family life. I also love the recipe in the back. I can't wait to try it. We Are Grateful, a story about gratefulness throughout the year and the different seasons from the Cherokee perspective, has great vocabulary words and pronunciation guide. Bow Wow Powwow, Windy Girl and Itchy Boy the dog get to experience the last powwow of the season. A fun look at the traditions of the Ojibwe people. This book is also bilingual. We Are Water Protectors by Carol Lindstrom. This is one of the most beautifully illustrated books I've picked up in a long time. The blues and purples are amazing. This is a moving book about how the fight for clean water is a fight we all on Earth should share. Winner of the Caldecott Medal. Diwali is a traditional holiday celebrated in India. This year it is on November 4th. The colors in this book, Festival of Colors, are delightful. Not only is it a very basic introduction to the holiday of Diwali, but is a lesson in colors and different flowers and color mixing for preschool-aged kids. Shubh Diwali is a little more informative for elementary readers and gives more insight into traditional activities of Diwali celebrations with great illustrations. Veterans Day is a U.S. holiday celebrated on November 11th every year. Our first recommendation, H is for Honor, is more than just your standard alphabet A is for Apple style book, and it's also applicable for many ages. Each page has two types of text, a simple sentence for the respective letter and a more detailed paragraph that could easily be used for the whole family. Our next book, Tuesday Tucks Me In, The Loyal Bond Between a Soldier and His Service Dog. It's an adorable story told from the perspective of a service dog for a disabled veteran. Great way to introduce the struggles a veteran may be dealing with in a sensitive way. November 14th this year is World Diabetes Day. Diabetes Doesn't Stop Maddie by Sarah Glenn Marsh is a great story not only for those recently diagnosed with diabetes to not feel alone, but also for their classmates to help them understand what their friends might be going through. It explains the basics of what type 1 diabetes is and how Maddie can manage it and still do normal activities.